Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeff. Tim was out at meetings today, so we just wanted to give you a little update. Not a lot more to talk about than yesterday. We just kind of want to run through the charts and show you what happened today. And uh, just not a lot of good news going on in the markets. Brazil cash basis seems to be keep weakening down there, so uh, our markets keep lowering as well. We're not getting any sales to speak of that we've been notified of yet. So uh, just not a lot of good news in the market to really get this thing turned around yet. But got the March corn up here. We tried to rally that this morning. We tried to rally all the markets this morning, but sold them off. Especially towards the noon area. uh, so now we have this engulfing shadow from of this body yesterday. Not a great sign. The only thing we did take out the low of Friday's report, but did close above it. That's about the only good thing in this 13. But again, you got to look lower at this point. Could see another push down into this area. See if we test this 61.628 retracement that we've talked about before. So at this point, we got to look lower until we see some other type of action in this market. Uh, Going to December corn, kind of same thing. Keep getting pressed lower. We closed below Friday's low, the report day low. So that's not a great sign. Just that the slope keeps getting bigger, keeps getting faster down, which is also not a good sign. Just not a lot of good news in this market action at all. Again, we had a little bit of reversal this morning, but they couldn't hold it. Just it's not great. Kansas City wheat. They looked like it was going to have a decent day there this morning, and then they hammered it just like the rest of the markets. We end up closing below these lows. We do have a 13 on the March contract, which is okay, but we also still have another count started in the blue 9 category, and we're on actually 11 on the 13 count coming back from one of these other nines. So uh, the only good thing, we're still in this little channel. Hate to see a breakout of this channel. We don't want to see it break out lower. That could accelerate pretty quickly. We thought we were going to see it come test the top of it. We didn't get that, obviously. We have to see something come forward to make us change our minds that this market is going to move higher, because we're not seeing it at this point. Uh, Let me take these off. Those are kind of irrelevant at this point. Uh, so technically, we've started a three wave action down. We've got to see this a reversal. We've got to take out and close above a high at some point to get any type of market action where we're gonna really get any type of short-term biased upwards. So as of right now, got to keep looking lower. July wheat again closed below those these lows over here. Continue weakness. The only good thing is we do have with over a 5 started. Doesn't mean it's finished. We have a 13 from yesterday. Again, more counts have started going lower. We may have to come test this 580 level. That'd be the 1.38, retracement of this move. Um, but that doesn't mean it's going to stop there either. So we got to be proactive. If you're not proactive, talk to us. If you want to do something, we're happy to walk through those situations and how that may look for you. Uh, the March soybean contract, again, it's kind of the same thing as corn. It kind of, it's holding that report day low, but that's about it. Uh, I wanted to talk about like the report day. We had that blow off down and it kind of rallied back. It filled this gap over here, which was a breakaway gap over here, back last June. We filled it, and we thought we might, get some strength since we filled it and come back through it. But today we went right back through that gap. Anything below Friday's low looks like we're gonna, come at least test these lows. 1150 range, who knows? who knows if that stops or if it goes and tests some other numbers down here. So again, the slope is getting pretty. The downslope's getting increasing. It's not slowing at all at this point, so nothing to good to come of that either. November soybeans, I guess, kind of same thing. Held the report day low, but the only thing I want to discuss here is if you do kind of the measurement of this, what we think is a breakaway gap or a measurement gap here. Hopefully, it's not a breakaway, but a measurement. If you count this from 13.17 to 12.46, you're talking, almost 70 cents. And if you take that off that gap here at 12.37, you're talking into the 11.60 range, which also would close this gap over here, which this breakaway gap that hasn't been filled in the November contract. So, we may have to go do that. Who knows? We think this level, Friday's low is pretty significant, and this 1.618 retracement of this move is significant, which is Friday's low. So that number in there, that 1185 number, 1186, really need to see it hold and get reversal and follow through. Because every reversal we've had, we're just not getting a lot of follow through to them. So we need to see some real action where we're taking out highs and sustaining, taking out more highs. So to really get a bullish tilt to this thing. So not great news today. It's gonna be, that's about all I got. Just continued weakness. Got to keep looking lower until we get more information, more some type of bullish action in this market. Nothing good to say about it. It sucks. It's just the way it is. So we'll try to keep you informed. If you have positions you need help manage, please give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you. Be happy to discuss those with you. That's all I got. So just remember, when trading futures and options, it carries significant risks, and you can lose more than you invest. Please consult a professional before trading in futures and options. If you have any questions, reach out, and we'll talk to you on Friday if nothing significant happens and we need to shoot a video tomorrow. So otherwise, have a good evening and stay warm. Have a good day.